Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the production system. The production system is basically having few tuples. It is having the set of rules, having the set of knowledge, control strategies and the rule applier, which is very much important. So first, before going into the production system, we must have the knowledge of the expert system also, which is using the production system mostly. So production system basically dealing with the database where a set of rules are there. Set of rules means any kind of rule may be there. If this is rule 1 is happening, then the corresponding action 1 and action 2 will be taken. If rule 1, rule 2, rule 5 is happening, then action 10 and action 12 should be taken. So this is how the database is designed. So set of rules are there and set of actions are there, and the rules and actions are mapped through the control strategies. So in the knowledge database, the rules and the actions are stored. The control strategy define that which rule is which action is taken for which rule, or which actions are taken for which rules. There may be many set of combination of rules and combination of actions are taken, but separately each and every rules are defined. A production system may have 50 rules and 1000 actions. It is not like that for 50 rules 50 actions are there, not like that. The combination of rules may be there. In some situations, suppose rule number 5, rule number 15, rule number 20 are there. So what should be the corresponding action? So the corresponding action may be action 100, action 500, action 600, maybe like that, or 10 actions are taken randomly. Okay. So for any combination of rules, any new combination of rules and new combination of actions are there. And yes, if some situation comes, okay, suppose in some situation rule number 1, rule number 10 and rule number 1000 are being happening. So if such rules are being happening, and if the set of rules combinedly is not defined in the knowledge database, so what will be done then? It will search whether there is a set of rule, that is 1 and 10 are there in the database or not. If not, it will search for 1 and 1000, otherwise it will search for 10 and 1000. So if any combination it get, then it will take that, the corresponding actions for that. Next, after searching this, if the rule applier is not getting the set of combination of any other set of the rules, then in that case what it will do? It will separately take the rules individually and taking the corresponding action if those actions are there for a particular rule. So it is not like that the particular rule, if it is happening, the corresponding action should be there. It is not mandatory. The corresponding action may be there, may not be there for a single rule. So it depends on the domain, that on which domain it is the rules are being applied. The rules, the production system is designed for which scenario, the situation, right? So based on that the production system works. Okay. So basically I am repeating, the production system is basically dealing with the database. The database is containing the rules and actions where the control strategy maps the rules and the actions, and the rule applier simply go through the control strategy and apply the corresponding action based on the current rule. So this is the production system. Okay, so I think this production system you can use for designing any kind of problem of artificial intelligence, right? The rules of the production system may be using two things. One is it should be designed, and secondly, for the production system, any techniques can be used. The breadth first search, depth first search, or the depth limited search, there are so many searching techniques are there, it may be used. Suppose it is a production system for water jug problem, so what is the rule applier? So we have already went through the water jug problem in our earlier video, where we have seen that in the water jug problem such rules are there that we can take the water from the water source or from the other jar if it is empty, and we can throw water fully, or we can throw water from this jar to another jar. So there are some rules are there, and based on the rules the actions are taken, and based on the action few new nodes are coming. So for going to from one node to another node, from one situation to another situation, there are some systems are there which is defined, it can be defined as in a production system, and the searching technique can be possible to apply by using any searching, any searching technique can be applied in the production system, like DFS, BFS and DLS. You can apply any other searching algorithm also. So this is what the production system is. Thank you very much for watching this video. For the upcoming video, please do subscribe our channel if you like our video. Thank you.